I'm Tabitha. Today I'm giving a review about this handheld steam cleaner. I did just receive this as a gift in exchange for my review, so I'm going to get it opened up, show you all the things that you get with this, and I'm going to try it out in multiple places around my home. So here is a little look at the packaging. It's a 12-piece set, so tons of different accessories. It can be used all over the place, around your home, in your car, for detailing, you name it. There's so many ways that this can be used, and it is just going to be powerful and a great way to clean without chemicals, and it's going to be quick and effective. So let's get it opened up and take a look at the product.
You get an extension nozzle for reaching hard to reach places. You get this iron nozzle that utilizes these little fabric covers for upholstery and fabrics. And this iron nozzle also utilizes this like glass cleaner squeegee attachment. You get 3 of these nylon bristle brush attachments. And then here is your straight nozzle, and on the end of it is your bent nozzle attachment. And then you get your funnel and this little measuring cup. You do have to make sure that you use no more than 250 milliliters with this so that it doesn't boil out.
And then the final piece here is your actual steamer. So nice, great little handheld size. It has a long power cord, so it's going to make it more convenient to clean with, so you're not having to move this around as often. So to get your pieces in place, you push on and then you twist to lock in place. So I'm excited to use this, so let's go get it filled up and we are going to try it out in a few different places. I have just under 250 milliliters of water here. So we're gonna take our funnel. We got our safety cap off. We're gonna pour the water in. All right, put your safety cap back on. Make sure it's nice and tight. All right, and then we're gonna plug it up. So this little indicator light will come on. When that little indicator light goes off, it is ready to use. It typically takes about 7 to 15 minutes for it to be fully heated up. Then we'll use it when it's ready. Okay, so I think I ran out of water. What we're gonna do is unplug this and then flip it over and get rid of any steam that's left. And now we're gonna let it cool for 5 minutes before we open up the safety cap and add more water. So I tried this out in multiple places and it did spectacular. I absolutely love that there is a little squeegee window attachment. It would even be great for like glass shower doors. It did impeccable, and I mean, it made the glass shine, and I didn't have to use any chemicals. So huge love for this product. It's definitely going to be something that I pick up at least once or twice a month to give some deep cleaning, or if I just really need some help getting something clean, then this is the product to do it. So if you are in need of a steam cleaner, this is an awesome option. It's portable, it's comfortable in the hand, there's tons of attachments, it's quick and easy to use, so definitely give it a try.